how to customize the schedule summary times on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. In here, we go down and tap on Schedule Summary. Make sure Schedule Summary is turned on. Then we go down. Now in here, there are two schedules for the schedule summary. One is to deliver at 8 a.m. and one at 2 p.m. Now if you want to change the time for the first or the second summary, you can tap on it. And from the time selector, you can choose a time from the list here. So I can choose one at 6 a.m. and then another one at 12 p.m. And then I can tap on add summary, so I can add in an additional schedule, and another one say at 6 p.m. So I will have one at 6 in the morning, and then midday, and then one in the evening at 6 p.m. And then down here you can also choose which apps to include in your schedule summary notifications. And that's it. So go down the list here and choose which one to include or exclude. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.